Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the DSTV Angola customer care number. So maybe you're experiencing some error on your decoder, or you're about to activate a new decoder and you need to call the customer care to actually help you out. The number will be on your screen, but they can change it from time to time, so all you got to do is to check it from their menu whether there is a new number being updated over there. So all you got to do is to pick up your DSTV remote and you press on the DSTV logo, which will take you to the menu. And on the menu here, use the arrow left and right keys. You look for help. So when you find help, come down to the contact us and press OK on it. So here, come to the third option, which is the call option over here. And you scroll down, we have the Angola customer care numbers over there, which will be on your screen as well. So you pick it and then you call them for help. And whenever you are calling, you need to have enough airtime to actually complete with whatever you need to discuss with them. They want to deduct as a normal calling rate, so you have to be aware of it before calling. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and when you're here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and come back for more. Thanks for watching.